Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be completing this login UI screen and also I'll be discussing about basic widgets like stack, row, column, etc. in this video, which would be helpful especially for the beginners. So without any delay, let's get started right after this intro. Before moving forward, just wanted to let you know that I have already designed this part of this login screen and I have already made the video for it, and I will put the link of that video inside the description box. You can check that, but I will give you fast forward review what I have did here. So for achieving this UI, I have used one package which is Flutter custom clippers, and after that I'm using here scaffold, and inside body I'm using stack, and as we know stack will take children, and inside this I'm using clip path. Clipper I'm using web clipper 2, and container I'm using height of 310 and color is orange of shade 300, and again I'm using here another clip path, the same web clipper 2, and the container this time height will be 300 and width will be media query of size dot width, and this time color I'm using deep background color, and I have already defined all the colors here which we will use in the project. And as a child of this container I'm using column, it is main axis alignment center, and as a children of this column I'm using image.asset for this particular image, and text for showing this text. This is the text. And one more thing I just want to let you know that if you want this kind of design in your application for text, then there is a website for that. This is the website. You can type your text here and you can choose the design of the text which is going with your app. You can copy paste in your project. So now we can move forward for developing our login screen. Let me shrink this, and this one is stack, and after that I want to show some text like login or sign up screen and text field and then button. So I will wrap this stack with column, and inside this first of all I will take size box for providing some space, and then I will take text widget, and inside this I will use message login sign up, and style I will use, I have already declared proper function for this, so I will call it heading text. Now I will also show you what is this heading text. I have already created one page reusable widget, and this one is the heading text. It is returning text style, and I'm using here text style, and I am providing these kind of properties for this particular heading text. We do not have to code again and again. That is why I have created this particular functionality for providing the UI. Again I'm using some other text style for bottom navigation. So I will put the code on GitHub. You can check the link in the description box. So this one is login and sign up, and after that I'm using line separator I have already designed it, and let me briefly describe you about this. This is my row, and inside this I have taken the property of cross-axis alignment to center, and inside this children I'm using expanded, and then child divider thickness is of 2, and color is light brown color, and again there is a padding, and inside that padding I'm using asset image. Let me run this. This is my line separator UI. This is the line, this one is also the line, and this is the image that I'm getting from my asset folder. So this is the UI of line separator. Let me shrink this, and now let's move forward. After that I'm providing here some height of 50, and then I'm using here text like enter your mobile number for OTP, and again I'm using text style, which is this one. Here font size is 15 and the color is light text color. You can reduce your code length with the help of these kind of things, reusability widget, as I did here. So this one is for the text. Let me save this. So this is the text, and again I'm using here for providing some space. After this I will show text field. So this is the code for text field, and inside this keyboard type is phone, and this is the input formatters for providing the values, what kind of value user will be able to type when keyboard is open. Let me run this. Like when I am tapping here, only numbers are visible. This is the error of overflow. We will definitely going to handle it. And then this one is icon, icons.mobile friendly. I'm also setting the color here. Label, enter your mobile number, hint text. This one is the design for hint style and label style, and this is the UI for border and focus border. After this text field I am providing here some space again. Just below that I'm using again row for showing text like this. This is for the message, and this is working as text button. So for this UI I have taken here row, and I want both the text in the center. That is why I have taken here main axis alignment dot center, and as children I'm using here, this one is the text for this particular don't have an account text, and again I'm using styling as normal dark text. And after that I'm taking here text button, and on tap I'm navigating to some other screen. I will also make video on this bottom navigation screen, because in our next videos we will be moving to our home screen, and this one is the text of this text button, this one, explore as guest. And below that I'm also providing some space. So there is one error that we are facing whenever I'm tapping on this overflow error is coming. So for handling this we will have to wrap all the things, like from here size box. Let me shrink this, wrap these things inside column. Okay, and after that we will have to wrap this column inside single child scroll view. because we don't want this particular UI to scroll. We want just this part to be scroll when keyboard is open. That is why I'm applying single child scroll view to this column, right from this space, this text and text field and this text. Let me save this. Again the error is coming. Let me wrap this with expanded. Now let me save this. Now when we will tap on this, the error has gone and my screen is scrolling. And for providing the limit to this text field, this is the limit, length limit text input formatter 10. User will not be able to type more than 10 digit. And one more thing just want to do here, I want to provide some padding from left and right. It will look good. So for column I will provide padding here. I want padding horizontally only. Symmetric, horizontal, 20 padding. Let me run this. Now it is looking good. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. If you do, then hit the thumbs up button for this video and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the third part of this video. Till then, take care. Bye for now.